Tonight is the night of love, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the reason why we're all gathered here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. and Mrs. Oyan and Jean David. Ring our glasses. Okay, let's ring our glasses and let's request one sweet kiss from Oyan and Jean.